Hey folks, this is Orgonite Austin. Welcome back. So we have a comment I would like to chat about. Okay, the comment is all about the ethics of creating Orgonite, the ethics of pulling the rocks out of the ground, the ethics of using resin, which is a toxic substance, in creating. In creating the Orgonite, it takes so much energy and ground destruction to pull copper from the earth and really harsh chemical processes to refine it, let alone the gas and, and hydraulic fluids of the tools. Yes, the crystals took the earth so much time and energy and cooperation to create, and lots of gas and tools and oils to mine it. But they are more powerful crushed. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's get into that. Okay, so in Leighton McTaggart's book called The Field, she talks about Dr. Pop's postulation of why Epsom salt baths work. He postulated that the Epsom salts, when they dissolve, they are individualized crystals, and now you have billions of crystals in your aura when you're taking a salt bath. So that's how I came up with the idea to crush stones to get more points out of it. And so yeah, that's the science behind crushing it. You get more points, and also you can get more in there, more crystals in that smaller piece, because when you see Orgonite that has clear and you can see through it, there is space in there that can be used and filled with substances to get more of an impact out of what little bit you have. So that's why I started crushing everything up. And the plastic resins, lots more harsh chemical processes to make it. Yes. Okay, so yes, I understand the controversy and the ethics of creating Orgonite. However, this planet needs it. Okay, it's best for us to do this than to let things go on the way they have been going. All right. And then I also wanted to talk about why the Earth, why Mother Earth still allows us human beings here. Children fuck up, okay? We are humans. Mother Earth is our mother. She has patience beyond anything we can fathom. She's been through worse. She is now nurturing us, and we are now returning the favor and beginning to nurture her, okay?
Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Orgonite Austin, you know I love you.
And you let her go.